Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. A very good morning to all of you. I, Sneha, on behalf of GPM College, heartily welcomes respected Aparna ma'am, Yogesh sir, Principal ma'am, Suvrat sir, parents, teachers, and my dear students. Here at GPM College, we not only value the academics but also understand the importance of co-curricular activities. Since we know that these activities are necessary for the overall development of a child, these activities not only changes one mood but mind and mood. Moreover, when winning becomes a habit, a person tries to win at each and every sphere of his life. Today we have gathered on this virtual platform to appreciate and cherish the hard work of our super talented, creative and innovative students. Like I said earlier, our school focuses on the overall development of our students. Hence, we organized some interesting activities in past few months. We all are aware how COVID-19 has affected our lives. The phase we have been going through has its own ups and downs. During lockdown, in the month of July, when everybody had to stay at home, we organized essay competition for our students. Topic given to all levels was related to COVID-19, its awareness and the precautionary measures to be taken. Our brilliant students wrote outstanding essays. It was difficult for the judges to select the best 3 essays from each class. I am pleased to announce the winners. Abhivant Jory, 3rd B. Pakhi Mittal, 3rd B. Yogita Dikshit, 3rd B. Raima Varisha, 4th A. Vinayak Tandon, 4th A. Alankrita Yadav, 4th C. Uswa Khan, 5th A. Anwar, 5th B. Muskan Saxena, 6th A. Zaira Naqvi, 6th A. Aryan Raghav, 6th B. Sanj Verma, 7th A. Shaurya Agarwal, 7th A. Manit Saxena, 7th C. Pavni Walia, 8th A. Yashita Sharma, 8th A. Ridhima Anand, 8th C. Meka Saxena, 9th A. Divyansh Katiyar, 9th B. Arohi Mathur, 9th C. Anshika Tomar, 10th B. Tanisha Gupta, 10th B. Vanya Khan, 10th B. Devansh, 12th B. Varnit Saxena, 12th A. Anushka Saluja, 12th B. After the essay competition in the month of September, we planned Fit at Home Challenge for classes nursery to 5th. Students were encouraged to keep themselves fit and healthy and were asked to send their pictures showing the activities which kept them fit during the lockdown. We were amazed to see the responses from our students. On the other hand, students of classes 6 to 8 made beautiful and inspiring posters on COVID-19. Through their creativity, they tried to spread an important message on how to be safe by wearing masks, following social distancing, and many other precautionary measures to be followed by all of us. Our dear students, with their teachers' guidance, also prepared a video on COVID awareness. Do watch as well as share the video with the ones you care.
सबको यह समझना होगा,
कोरोना से बचकर रहना होगा।
लाइलाज है ये बीमारी,
इससे पीड़ित दुनिया सारी।
से बचकर रहना भाई,
सावधानी ही है एक उपाय।
सुबह उठकर करना ये काम, हर दिन थोड़ा प्राणायाम।
सामाजिक दूरी बड़ी जरूरी,
न मानो है मजबूर।
चाहे साबुन खत्म हो जाए भाई,
पर 20 सेकंड तक हाथ धोना है भाई।
खांसते छींकते यह ध्यान रखो,
अपने मुंह को हाथ से ढक कर रखो।
जब भी घर से बाहर निकलो, हमेशा इसका ध्यान रखो।
खुद समझो औरों को समझाओ, मुंह पर मास्क अवश्य लगाओ। लापरवाही पड़ेगी भारी, नहीं मामूली ये बीमारी। प्रतिरोधक क्षमता को बढ़ाओ, व्यायाम करो, पौष्टिक भोजन खाओ।
जो भी बीमारी के लक्षण पाओ, तुरंत जाकर चेकअप कराओ।
डॉक्टर जो सलाह दे तुरंत अपनाओ, होम क्वारंटाइन कहे तो फौरन हो जाओ।
आओ हम सब मिल प्रतिज्ञा लें, कोरोना से नहीं डरें, सावधानी रखेंगे, सामाजिक दूरी का पालन करेंगे और बीमारी का डट कर मुकाबला करेंगे।
Moving forward, in the month of October, we celebrated Gandhi Jayanti week. Gandhiji emphasized on simplicity, kindness, truth and non-violence as his life's mantra. We wanted our students to learn and follow his principles. Various competitions were organized for the students at every level. Fancy dress competition for classes nursery to first, in which our little shining stars looked amazing when they dressed as Mahatma Gandhi ji, Lal Bahadur Shastri ji and Kasturba Gandhi ji. Students who won our hearts are nursery class, first prize Arishka Saxena, nursery A. Second prize Harshvardhan Singh, nursery B. Third prize Adya Mishra, nursery A, class KG. First prize Mohammad Affan, KG B. Second prize Swastik Agarwal, KG A. Second prize was shared by two students, Mohammad Mansoor Shamsi, KG B. Third prize Shriyanshi Garg, KGC, class 1. First prize Avika Tiwari, first B. Second prize Anshika Shukla, first C. Third prize Mohammad Zaheen, first A. Students of classes 2nd and 3rd spoke quotes written by Mahatma Gandhi and did it perfectly. All were delightful to watch. The students who spoke quotes confidently are class 2nd, first prize Mohammad Afaq ul Haq, second B. Second prize Sunish Upadhyay, second C. Third prize, Divyanshi Verma, second C. Class third. First prize, Arnav Mehra, third B. Second prize, Ayush Pandey, third B. Third prize, Rida Malik, third C. Students of classes 4th and 5th were asked to draw pictures of Mahatma Gandhi, his spinning wheel, which symbolizes his goal of making Indians self-reliant by fabricating their own clothing. The students also drew the 3 monkeys of Mahatma Gandhi, which teaches us to see no evil, hear no evil, and speak no evil. They wonderfully showed their artistic skills and also focused on spreading the message of Swachh Bharat. The ones who well expressed their colors are Class 4th, first prize, Ram Gupta, 4th B. Second prize, Hamad Ismail, 4th A. Third prize, Samaira Khan, 4th B. Class 5th. First prize, Anshika, 5th A. Second prize, Vanshika Goel, 5th B. Third prize is shared by 2 students. Chahat Sharma, 5th B. Rishabh Raj, 5th C. Gandhi Jayanti craft activity was organized for classes 6 to 8. We received incredible crafts. All the judges were highly impressed. Winners for the same are: first prize, Yuvika Kashyap, 6B. Second prize, Astha Chaudhary, 6C. Third prize goes to 2 students. Purvi Singh, 6B. Saksham Singh, 6B. Now class 7. First prize, Aditya Agarwal, 7th A. Second prize, Mahi Verma, 7th B. Third prize, Deepshika Maurya, 7th A. Class 8th. First prize, Prapti Chauhan, 8th C. Second prize is shared by 2 students again. Raj Rastogi, 8th A. Aditya Maggo, 8th B. Third prize, Shreya Agarwal, 8th B. Classes 9th and 10th wrote thought-provoking slogans on the topic Swadeshi Apnao and Clean India, Green India. Students whose slogans touched our hearts are Class 9th, first prize, Mishti Maurya, 9th A. Second prize, Rudra Mishra, 9th A. Third prize goes to 2 students. Madhav Sharma, 9th B. Anshika Singh, 9th C. Now class 10th. First prize, Awadh Agarwal, 10th A. Second prize, Divya Srivastav, 10th C. Third prize, Affan Hassan Usmani, 10th A. For classes 11th and 12th, debate competition was organized on the topic whether the principles of Mahatma Gandhi are relevant in current situation or not. The students spoke boldly in favor as well as against the topic. Winners for both the categories are Jayant Pandey from class 12th B stood first in favor. Lakshika Mehrotra from 12th B stood first in against. Congratulations to all the winners. I would like to thank respected Aparna ma'am, Yogesh sir, Principal ma'am and Suvrat sir for their kind support and valuable guidance. You have been a constant support and given us a lot of encouragement. Thank you so much. Respected Principal ma'am, thank you again for being an amazing guide and for leading us. Events like this cannot happen overnight. Last but not the least, I extend thanks to all the activity in charges. Mr. Sanjay Saxena, Ms. Gurmeet Kaur, Mrs. Vijaya Bhatt and Ms. Prerna Shankar. Technical support, Ms. Swati Sharma and Mrs. Sakshi Agarwal and Ms. Neha Gangwar for writing all the certificates. Every event has its end, and now we have also reached at the end of a virtual certificate ceremony. Thank you for giving your precious time. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.